Never double book your rooms again. This is a booking calendar for Homestay and Airbnb hosts. 1 row per booking, and every calendar and report builds itself. Step 1. List your rooms, channels, and commission rates in setup. Only type in the yellow cells. Add a new room, and every calendar grows a row. Let's add room 301. Step 2. Enter bookings. Pick the room and channel, then type the guest, the dates, and the nightly rate. Nights, total, commission, profit, deposit due, all computed for you. No dragging formulas. Now, let's try double booking a room. Two bookings overlap, and the red overlap flag appears instantly on both rows. Change the check-in to the 15th, and it's fixed. Checkout day isn't a night, so guests can be back-to-back. Step 3. Open the month calendar. Each cell is one night, painted by channel. Switch to August to see the bookings we just entered. The calendar rebuilds instantly, including a row for the new room. The year view is an occupancy heat map. Busy months and empty rooms at a glance. And the dashboard. 6 KPIs for the current month, revenue by month, and by channel. The front desk screen. Who checks in today, who checks out, who's arriving soon, and which deposits are outstanding. At the bottom, automatic insights. Overlaps, scan the code to explore more templates, deposits, and how you compare